Diagnostic trouble codes P0416, P0417, P0418, and P0419 all indicate electrical faults within the secondary air injection system but differ by the specific component and fault type identified. P0416 and P0417 are specific to switching valve B, with P0416 denoting an open circuit and P0417 indicating a shorted circuit. In contrast, P0418 and P0419 target the system's relays, which power the air pumps. P0418 refers to a malfunction in relay A, bank 1, while P0419 refers to relay B, bank 2. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. Method A, the air injection pump. The air injection pump is located at the front of the engine, with a serpentine belt wrapped around it. First, carefully remove the air injection pump from your engine. Visually inspect the pump's pipe and electrical connector for any damage. Then, use a multimeter to test the pump. The standard resistance should be close to 0 ohms. If you get a high resistance reading, this indicates the air injection pump is faulty and needs to be replaced. Method B, the oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensors are mounted directly onto the exhaust pipe, near the catalytic converter. Begin by locating the specific sensor that is responding too slowly due to age or malfunction. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.